Welcome friends, welcome back to the kitchen. I've got a little bit of an Indian feast on the go today. I've got a chicken curry and a cauliflower and ginger thing going in the oven, and I'm going to make chana masala to go with that. And this is kind of reminiscent of what we ate in northern India on our big adventure in 2006-2007. So I'm going to put a little bit of oil in the bottom of this pan. And to this pan, I'm going to add 3 or 4 sliced up onions, and I just want to brown them. I don't want to burn them. I just want to get nice caramely color on them, so not too high a heat. And I also want to add a little bit of salt to this to get it going. So we'll stir that around, get it coated in the oil, and start that browning process. So this is very much along the lines of dishes that we ate in northern India, in the Punjab, specifically in Amritsar. And we spent Christmas in Amritsar. And Amritsar is the spiritual center for people of the Sikh faith. And so we spent Christmas Day, I'll put some pictures up, Christmas Day at the Golden Temple, which is the high holy place for people of the Sikh faith. And I have never felt more loved on Christmas Day than I did there. Everyone went out of their way to come up to Julie and I, shake our hands, wish us a happy Christmas. Yeah, it was just wonderful, absolutely wonderful. And so they served this at the temple. The Sikh religion is one of those religions where if you come, you're going to be fed. And you come to the temple and everyone is fed, no matter who you are, level of life you're from, whether you're rich or you're poor, you sit down and you have a free meal with everybody. Everyone is treated as an equal, and it's absolutely amazing. And so this is something that we ate there. The onions are looking pretty good, so now we're going to crush in 2 cloves of garlic. And I'm going to use a garlic press because I'm going to cheat. In that goes. Next in is some grated ginger. And I'm using a microplane, and we'll just grate that in. Now, by the time you've got the ginger grated in, it's time to add the rest of the ground spices. So, first in is some garam masala, which is a spice blend, some turmeric, some chili powder, and some ground cumin. We're just going to stir that around and get all those flavors blended together. Next in, I have some tomatoes, and this is a can of tomatoes that I opened, and I used some in the chicken curry, I used some in the cauliflower dish, and the rest are going to go in here. So you only need a couple of tomatoes and a little bit of juice. Break those up with the back of the spoon and mix it all together. And now I've got some chickpeas, and this is a can of chickpeas that has been drained and rinsed. And our cat, whose name is Chicken, absolutely loves it when we have chickpeas because he likes the liquid from inside the can of chickpeas. Open up a can of chickpeas and he just goes nuts. Put it down in a little bowl, laps it up like there's no tomorrow. Now, once I've got all this together, you want to add just a little bit of water. Just enough to not quite cover the chickpeas in the pan, but just so that you can get it up to a little bit of a boil and create a sauce. So I'm going to put a cover on this, and I'm going to let this simmer on sort of a medium-low heat for about 20 minutes.
It smells great in here, Glenn.
It does,
hey, friends.
doesn't it? So we're doing.
Ooh.
So I've got a giant Indian feast on the go. So we're going to try first the chana masala, and then we'll try the cauliflower, and then we'll do the chicken curry in a later video. So you've got 3 videos to watch.
We've got a lot of tasting to do, which is great. So did Chicken enjoy his chickpea juice?
Chicken loved the chickpea juice. Yeah, it's crazy. Absolutely nuts. Mm-hmm. I really like chana masala. Mm-hmm. Now, I used masala powder, a commercial masala powder. Mm-hmm. There are great ones out there. You can make your own. They're super simple. And I should probably do a recipe at some point to show people how easy it is. But if you don't cook Indian that often, having a little container of pre-made masala powder works really well.
I also suspect, like everything, that my grandmother would make it one way, and your grandmother would make it a different way, and like all spices, everything from pumpkin pie to masala, Every family's
little-
different,
A little bit of variation.
which is what makes it super fun.
Yes, incredibly fun. And so everywhere we went in India, this tasted just a little bit different, which is fantastic. So come on back for the cauliflower and the chicken curry. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.